All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Ukiyo nuclear coin here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content I'm bringing to you guys. Look at that. That's a pretty cool package, I have to say. The artwork on the box is just fantastic. I like it, nice and colorful. Ukiyo EDC, and then on the inside you're gonna find your Lauti style box with an extra roller bearing over here, and all the informations here on the back. Inside this little envelope you're gonna find a pretty cool card, if you ask me, and a sticker like so. Very interesting. And then you're gonna find your coin right over here, which is very interesting indeed. So let's just quickly check the size of this guy. So overall diameter on this one is going to be 1.55 inches, and let's see, the thickness is going to be 0.32. So it's a pretty interesting size. It's classic, I would say, haptic coin size. Like, for example, this is the Amburi, the full size, and here you have the Amburi, the mid size. So you can see where this guy is going. Something really a little bit bigger is the black mirror design. And also you can see, let me show you something else a little bit different. Here you've got your Mahjong slider. This is Muji Gaiwan spinner. What else can I show you? Of course, Lauti shuffle in the house, cannot miss that. As well, you cannot miss the bulletproof shield by EDC Lung. Fantastic set for this one. And yeah, I mean, you get the idea. Okay, let me show you another couple. Here's Sam Lauti, also Sam, and since we're talking about Lauti, here you have your Muji collaboration, and that's going to be the Rook. So you have an idea of the size of this guy, and this is a haptic coin. So basically it's two sides, like two halves, like that. There's a very simple construction going on over here. You have these two sides that's numbered, Ukiyo 25, that's the serial number on this one. This is the nuclear coin. It's made in brass, and you have some magnets, you have a pivot, you have roller bearings, and you just close it up and you just play with it. So this one has some texture going on, created by the 2020 warning, danger, and nuclear logo here. So it's creating like some nice pattern, which you're gonna have traction to it, and it's flawlessly spinning around because the magnets are keeping these two parts together, and the roller bearings are gonna make everything smooth. So very cool sound indeed. It looks pretty good to me. It's not like fancy one, it's just brass, and it's a nice coin. I like the nuclear logo over here, radioactive, and I like this is their logo, and warning, danger 2020. Yeah, we know 2020 was yeah, pretty rough year for many people, so just it makes sense. And it's just like to remind myself that in 2020 I started Fablades, and that's yeah, that's been something good that happened in this pretty bad year. Also, it looks very slim. It's very slender compared to other coins. I mean, like, for example, if you check it up against this one, you can see it's almost double the size. And even like these small ones, look at that. This is the medium size from Amburi, so it's thicker than that. So this is nice and slender, goes very well in the pocket. Sounds nice. It's not the best sounding haptic coin I have ever heard, because, for example, let me see, like this one. Oh yeah, you can see. Very different sound. This is clapping, and this is clicking. So it's a different sound. I prefer something deeper, to be honest, but this is pretty cool. The feel in the hand is nice because the weight is not too heavy. Let's see. I mean, there's quite some heft to it. It feels dense, but let's see how much this guy is weighing. 2.19 ounces. So it's very reasonable, very contained, but the sound here is going to be the good thing, because I mean, this guy looks cool, feels great in the hand, nice texture going on, so it's a little bit on the slippery side, but still you can just play with it easily. You can also reduce the amount of annoyingness you're gonna be emanating if you play with this guy. And if you're being obnoxious and loud like that, people are gonna hate you, but you can also be nice and gentle and just spin it in your hand and just enjoy the hapticness of the thing and not the soundness of the thing. Not like that, just like that. And everybody's gonna be happy. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.